What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got a little small Dewalt tool haul as well as a couple other items from Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I will see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up a few items. Two of these items are new from Dewalt, as well as I picked up some no more 72-inch long sturdy bamboo plant stakes, or plant stakes. I picked these up as a surprise for my wife. She really loves them. So I picked up 7 more packs of 6, which is 42 of them. And then I grabbed a couple new Dewalt items. I grabbed a pair of firm grip gloves. These are touchscreen capable. I've been wanting to get these Duranits for a while. They dropped them to $11. They're usually like $15, $14.97, something like that. But the last few times I've seen these, they only had them in large and extra large. These gloves are actually quite large for their size ratio. I normally wear an extra large, and for most of the firm grips I wear a large, but for some reason these mediums feel better. Picked up those for 11 bucks. I picked up some self-tappers that I needed, which is number 8, 180 count by 3/4 in length. These actually have 1/4 inch heads, which is just like this one right here. I just ran out, didn't have any more. These I actually used on the roof line of the 97 4Runner limited 4x4 I call Beast. I use these to actually mount custom brackets for a roof light bar. I needed some more, so I grabbed those. This guy right here is one of the new items that DeWalt has came out with. And this is the new Tough Series 35-foot tape measure with the removable magnet. So you can actually hook the magnet on and then unhook it if you want. This one is not like my normal tape measures, though. It does not have, you know, the 3/4, ½ inch, 5/16 measurements down here, but it is a nice tape measure. It also doesn't show it, the other direction for height, where the 10 goes this way, 11 this way, but it's a good tape measure. I like it. It is the new style. This is 35-foot, double-sided, max reach 17 feet is the max standout. 100-foot drop rated. It is. It's got 6-inch of rip shield coating, maximum blade life, removable magnet with 5 pounds holding force, and it is part number Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 36935. It's also on the side right here. Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 36935, or DWHT 36935. So that's one of the new items. This guy is the other new item, and the YouTube money did pay for these items. Paid for this item and this item. The rest I paid I added the YouTube money to my my business card, and then I just paid with it. So thank you guys, all of you guys that watch the channel. You guys are the reason that I have these 2 items right here right now. This is the new Atomic Compact Series DCF850B, or Delta Charlie Frank 850 Bravo. This is the new, really tiny subcompact. I would call it a subcompact impact driver. Drive size 1/4 inch or 6.35 millimeters. Quick release hex shank. Max torque 240, 1500, and 1825 inch-pounds. No load speed First speed is 0 to 1000, second speed is 0 to 2800 RPM, and third speed is 0 to 3250 RPM. Tool length is 3.97 inches, which this is way more compact than the Milwaukee. We'll probably do a comparison on this and an informational video like I do for most, where we take measurements of this tool by bare tool as well as weights on different batteries. I do not have any of the new power stack batteries. Hopefully I can get some and do a video for you guys soon. But this is the new one. This is the Dewalt's most compact impact driver to date, and I believe it's a little bit more powerful than the 887. There's a lot of channels, including Tool Review Zone, if you guys want to check this out. I'll leave a card up here for Tool Review Zone's Clint's video on this, and there's a couple other people that have done a video. But I want to say thank you to all of you guys. You guys are the reason that I was able to pick this up. This is normally supposed to be $179. They dropped it to $149, and it's the end of October, so Black Friday deals are coming up. They actually dropped this to $99 for the Black Friday deals, and YouTube Money only paid $50-something for it. $57, because I had $50 Pro Extra dollars. So that's $50 I earned right here. $50 I earned Pro Extra dollars from spending over like $8,000 or $10,000 in the last year. So I had $50 off. It was $99 plus $8.46 in sales tax. It came out to $107.46. With that $50 off, the money I had from YouTube, which I had over $300, came out to $57.46 for this tool, which is a heck of a deal, to be honest. And then this receipt right here is for this stuff. I got it at a different Home Depot. Tape measure was $38.97. This pack was $8.98, which is funny because this pack actually showed up on the shelf as $7.92, but okay. And then $20 for the skewers, and $11, like I said, for the knit gloves. $11 here, and then $20.86, not skewers, but the bamboo plant stakes. So that's everything that was picked up, guys. I will do separate videos on this as an unboxing, and I'll probably unbox or just rip this apart and just show it to you guys in a video. But it's everything I picked up. You know, nothing like major. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video as always. We will do a few other videos on this, because this video you guys are going to see probably sometime in like August of next year. I will do an introduction to the channel video on this, so you guys get to see that first, as well as I'll do a specs and information video, and we'll probably, in that video, the specs and information video, we'll probably do a comparison as well, or I might do a comparison video separate from that. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. This is the third time buying these guys. I just picked them up randomly as a surprise for my wife. I'm not even sure. I think she probably still has maybe 2 packages of them, but you know, she's been doing a lot of gardening, so I picked those up for her. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!